Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. And by the way, happy weekend. So we know and we have been covering CVNA for a long time, and almost like each week I'm making 3-4 videos on ticker symbol CVNA. And why not? You can see that the stock price was actually below $10 and now it is over $35. So I am just making another update video so that I can show you the price action, the short interest, should you buy, should you sell, should you hold, this kind of thing. Okay, if you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And you know that this is the chart for CVNA. Last Friday it went all the way to $41-42 and now it is coming down. So we will talk about the chart, the price action, few other indicators we will keep an eye. And before that, like if you're part of my community, then congratulations. We played some high flying stock last Friday, very risky for sure. Like EDTX was one of the one, like massive move from 30 all the way to 70. The other one is PRFX, more than 100% move we catch last Friday. And PRFX is something like we have been playing for last few days. I also made another video on this particular stock. It went to 27, so watch that video as well. But we made some good money, like we made some good money on our Discord, because you know we do daily trade. And if you want to join our community, just very easy, just use the link in the first comment. You just go there, sign up, then you can get access to our Discord. Easy one, right? Monthly membership. So first of all, like CVNA, the biggest thing is the short interest, and so far in my all videos the short interest was around 60%, but now you can see it has come down. Right now it is 54, right? So the some shorts have covered. You can clearly see it came down from 61, it came to 54. And the way the price is going higher, at one point the shorts they have to cover, but still lots of shorts are here. We have to see when they will cover. If they cover, it can go even higher, or if the price is coming down, that point they can also cover to minimize their losses. But we need to see if more shorts are covering. Is a good thing when we see the price is going higher. That's very important. The other thing is, if I go to volume at the bottom, you can see that the volume like was a little bit higher, 72 million, then 45 million, 29 million. So the volume is also coming down day by day. Okay, keep that in mind, the volume is coming down. Now if you look last volume, last Friday, the volume was 29 million, which is the average daily volume, right? So the volume is like that. So if I go to option price now, and you can see that the option for next week is still for the call option. There are some lots of call option for 40 strike price and 45. At the same time, for 35 and 38 I can see some concentration of option. So still people are very bullish because call is higher than the put side. But here in terms of open, many people are thinking maybe it will come down. They have more put option compared to call option when you look at the open interest. Keep that in mind. The volume is coming down. Now let's go back to the price action and let's start with the 1 hour chart. I love CVNA. I was calling for $40, so it went to $40 and I'm very happy for that. But if you see how this thing is moving, right, it came like this, went up, came down, tried to go up again, but this time the high is not the same high and it came down. So at least on this particular front it made lower high. You might see another bounce from 36 or $34, and if this time it can go over this 40 area, and if it comes down, maybe you can see there is a downtrend with lower high. We have to keep an eye. I'm not saying it can go up, but sometimes when a stock goes up a lot, it needs some time to breathe. Let's see about the previous one, how it moved. So starting from here, it moved sideways, went up, came down, then move sideways for some time, then again a big push. So if you think this is the same pattern, then maybe we will see it will go sideways between 34 and 42. And in terms of like day trading or even swing, 24%, you know the support resistance, you can make some money. But anyway, if it goes sideways and if it push even higher, that is one good thing. On the other hand, if it can hold this 34 area, maybe it will come down. So many people use many different indicators. So if I just look at the RSI indicator on an hourly chart, you can see that the RSI was really hot. Now with time the RSI is coming down. Okay, so when a price goes sideways and RSI coming down, that's not a good sign. It means it might come down. Even if I go to a daily chart here, what I want to see that the RSI actually went up a lot, right? Most of the time on daily CVNA, the RSI went to 81. Currently we hit 76. It might go one more day, but it needs to come down. So this is the daily chart. Now I'm going to close RSI and I'm going to close MACD just to show you how the MACD is looking like. So even on MACD, it is looking very, very strong, but we have to see, will it come down the bars? You have to keep an eye on the bars, right? So the bar, is it coming down? You can go to 1 hour as well. In the 1 hour, you can also see the buying pressure is not as strong as before, so it might come down. Again, I'm not against this particular stock. I love this stock, but I want to give you the update so that you know how this thing is moving, whether it's going up, going down. If you took your profit around $44, you can always get back in 34 with a stop loss. You can ride it, but just want to give you a real picture, because in each video I don't want to come, it will just go to the moon, it will go higher. I want to give you the actual picture how it is looking like. Okay, so this is how it is looking like for now. The other way, some people say gap up, gap down. So even if I look at the chart without the extended hour, you don't see a big gap up or gap fill. Yes, there is a small area, it was there, right? But we filled the gap and came down. And on this particular side, I'm just looking at the regular hour, there is no real gap. So when you say gap down, there is no real gap. So things are still good, nothing to be scared of. The only thing I will say, like, watch this particular line. Are we making lower high? In that case, can we hold 34? If we can't hold 34, it might come down, but that's the area you should be keeping an eye. Again, we do day trading, swing trading. If you really want to join our community, you want to get trade ideas with entry exit signal for stock, for option, you see we have so many things. Option alert, we have pro trader, one hired analyst here, this is my alert, and we have a general chat, member chat. So many things are happening. And if you want to join our community, if you like stock only, $15. If you like stock and option, 20 per month, you can always join, be a part of the community, and make some money together. We also have VIP with email alert. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this particular stock. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Again, if you are CVNA lover and you ride the whole way from here to here, you made a good amount of money. So in that case, congratulations. I hope you can make more money. Take care. Bye bye.